Have you ever thought that something as simple as walking could actually add years to your life? Walking is one of the safest and most effective ways to stay healthy, active, and independent. A simple daily walk can improve heart health, lower blood pressure, support joint flexibility, and help maintain a healthy weight without putting too much stress on the body. It also boosts mental well-being by reducing stress, anxiety, and the risk of depression, while improving sleep and overall mood. Regular walking strengthens muscles and bones, reducing the risk of falls and injuries as you age. Best of all, it requires no special equipment and can be easily adjusted to fit any fitness level, making it a perfect lifelong habit for maintaining energy and quality of life after 50. What if I told you most people are walking every day, but still not getting the full benefit? And even worse, some common walking mistakes could be silently damaging your health instead of improving it. Today, we'll talk about why walking is one of the best exercises for older adults, and the 7 biggest walking mistakes you must avoid. Stay till the end. Because mistake number 7 is something almost everyone ignores. As we age, our body naturally becomes weaker. Muscles shrink, joints stiffen, and energy levels drop. But here's the good news. Walking is one of the safest, easiest, and most powerful exercises for older adults. Improves heart health, strengthens muscles and bones, reduces joint stiffness, helps control weight, improves balance, reduces risk of falling, boosts mood, and reduces stress. And the best part? You don't need a gym, you don't need expensive equipment, just a good pair of shoes and consistency. But here's the problem. Even though walking is simple, most people are doing it the wrong way. Mistake number 1. Walking too fast. Many people think, the faster I walk, the better. That's not always true. Walking too fast, especially for older adults, can put stress on joints, increase risk of falling, cause fatigue quickly, but walk at a comfortable pace where you can still talk without getting breathless. Mistake number 2. Poor walking posture. This is one of the biggest mistakes. People walk like this. Head down, shoulders slouched, back bent over time. This leads to back pain, neck strain, poor breathing. But the correct posture are: keep your head up, shoulders relaxed, back straight, look forward, not down. Good posture is the better breathing and more energy. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong shoes. Your shoes matter more than you think. Wearing hard shoes, slippers, old worn-out shoes can cause foot pain, knee problems, even injuries. But the solution is invest in comfortable, supportive walking shoes with good cushioning, proper grip, correct fit. Your feet are your foundation. Protect them. Mistake number 4. Walking too little during the week is one of the biggest reasons people don't see results, because many individuals go for a walk once or twice a week and expect major health improvements, which simply isn't enough. Walking is not about pushing yourself too hard in one session, but about staying consistent over time, as the body responds better to regular movement rather than occasional effort. So the ideal approach is to walk at least 5 days a week, even if it's just 20 to 30 minutes per day, because these small daily efforts build endurance, improve heart health, support weight management, and keep joints active, making short but consistent walks far more effective than long, irregular ones. Mistake number 5. Not using your arms. Many people walk with stiff arms or keep them in pockets. This reduces the effectiveness of walking. When you swing your arms naturally, you burn more calories, improve balance, increase full body movement. Let your arms swing freely in rhythm with your steps. Mistake number 6. Walking while looking at your phone. This is very common today. People walk while texting, watching videos, Scrolling social media. This leads to poor posture, lack of awareness, higher risk of accidents. Golden rule: when you walk, just walk. Stay present. Enjoy your surroundings. Mistake number 7. Ignoring recovery. This is the most important mistake. Many people think walking doesn't need recovery, but your body still needs movement, balance, hydration, stretching, rest, recovery. Includes movement. Don't sit all day after walking. Hydration. Drink enough water. Stretching, especially legs and calves. Rest. Give your body time to recover without recovery. Even walking can lead to fatigue and stiffness. Walking is not just exercise. It's a simple habit that can transform your life. But only if you do it the right way. Avoid these 7 mistakes. Stay consistent. Listen to your body, and remember, it's not about walking fast, it's about walking smart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment, walk. If you're starting today, subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.